Good morning, everybody. It's Fruit Tree Tuesday, so I'm going to show you some of my baby trees today. Those are my 2 avocado trees, and I'm panning it around so that you can take a look at my Mexican key lime trees. I have 2 of them, and I also have 2 improved Meyer lemon trees. And right there is the latest to my collection. I bought that a couple of months ago. It's a Satsuma Mandarin orange tree. Now, I did a lot of hand pollinating during the winter when these trees were inside my home, and you could check out my videos that demonstrate how you do that. And it paid off because I have a lot of fruit on the vines. And one of the wonderful things about the lemon and lime trees and most citrus, you can leave the fruit on the vine until you're ready to harvest them or use them. But they will be coming inside because they can't take temperatures under 32 degrees. So I'll be bringing in my home. Now, I wanted to show you Banana Alley. I started off with 4 pups. That's a Mexican, no, that is a Jamaican red banana. And it has a little baby. And right here is a cold hardy Musa. And it can stay out in the winter. It'll die back, but it'll come back in the spring. And right there are 2 Jamaica red bananas. Couldn't get it out, guys. I'm sorry. And then there's another cold hardy Musa, and she has had a baby. So I started off, like I said, with 4 plants, and now I have 7. And that's a squash plant over there in the corner. And back to the lemon trees, I just love watching them change colors. So those are going to become yellow very soon. Well, here I'm just showing you more clusters of fruit that I am very grateful to see. Now, these are the trees that I want to concentrate on and talk a lot about today. They are my custard apples that I grew from seeds. And I've featured them from time to time to let you see how they are progressing. And I actually started these seeds on October 24th, I think that was, 2017. And they have just been misted with neem oil and water because I saw a few white flies up under the gazebo. So I'm going to move these out of the sun so that they can dry. And we're supposed to get more rain today, but they don't need to be watered. And right here, I'm just rubbing the neem oil and water up under the back of the leaves just to make sure that I did thoroughly coat them. And I'm real gentle with my baby plants. And I don't let my grandchildren touch them. They know if they go under that gazebo and mess with Big Mama's plants, they're going to be in big trouble. Now, these plants are not going to turn into trees until, maybe 4 or 5 years. Or it could be even longer. But the thing about it is, I'm patient. And it's so rewarding for me to watch them grow from a tiny seed into just a little bit of green breaking through the surface of the potting mix and compost. And then to actually see them get bigger and bigger, it's just very rewarding. And I didn't pay that much for the seeds. I purchased them on eBay. Now, there are several species of this tree. Some of them are called sugar apples. They are called custard apples and sweet sop. And they originally came from Asia and the West Indies, and they brought them to America. They are considered a delicacy. They're very expensive if you find them in Whole Foods. You can also find them in Asian stores. I was introduced to sugar apples before I retired. I was instructing beauty college, and my students would bring me one occasionally, and it's just delicious. It's very hard to make a profit off of it because they have a very short life expectancy, the fruit in the supermarket. So that's the reason why you don't see them everywhere. It's just not popular. However, for us home gardeners, it's a nice fruit that you can try to grow. Now, these will be going inside of my home in my grow room during the winter for the next few years, and then eventually into my heated greenhouse, because I really need to pamper them and make sure that they don't get any type of shock. So I have grow lights, shop lights, fluorescent lights, LED lights, what have you, to make sure that they get the right amount of artificial light that will simulate sunlight. I hope you've seen something that you enjoyed today, or something you may have learned. I'm really excited about growing these sugar apples, and I hope you can tell that. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.